On one side, AI is promising to build your MVP faster than ever before. On the other side, real users are deleting apps that fail to meet their expectations, no matter how quickly they were built. And as a founder, you are caught in the middle. Everyone is talking about building faster, but nobody is talking enough about building right. You have $1 million app idea, a lean budget, and a market that moves incredibly fast. You are asking yourself, do I hire a human developer who can actually brainstorm with me? Or do I prompt a bot that works for $20 a month? If you choose wrong, your MVP isn't a minimum viable product. It becomes a most vulnerable prototype. Honestly, this isn't about choosing 100% AI or 100% human. In this video, I will give you a clear picture of the right balance, where AI is at its best, where human thinking is non-negotiable, and how combining both is what actually builds a successful MVP. Hey, I'm Ananya Banerjee, co-founder of Sunyam Software. I work with founders to turn ideas into real apps. Now straight to the point. Let me show you how this works in real projects, where AI genuinely helps and where human experience still matters most. First, let's start with first impressions, UI and UX. The moment someone opens your app, they judge it instantly. Either stick around or just close it. When we work with founders, we explore a few different design directions. We do use AI to generate quick concepts, just to see different styles and layouts. It helps us move faster in the early stage. But those designs are not something you can directly use in a real app. They might look good at first glance, but real products need much more than just good-looking screens. Things like where the eye goes first, what feels obvious to tap, how smoothly someone moves through the app. Does it feel easy or a bit confusing? That's where our design team comes in. They take those ideas, sometimes refine them, or come up with a completely new concept. The goal is simple: make the design smooth and interactive. Actually, AI is great for exploring ideas, but making it feel natural to use, that still needs human thinking. Now let's talk about the backend and the database behind it. This is basically what runs your app in the background. Backend is the logic, what happens when someone taps something, and the database is where all your data lives: users, content, payments, everything. Users may never see this part, but they will definitely feel it. If the app feels slow, if login keeps failing, if notifications stop working, that is the backend. Now there are some common things almost every app needs: sign up, login, user accounts, notifications, basic workflows. For these parts, AI can really help. It saves time, handles repetitive coding, and helps you move faster early on. But no real app runs on just these standard features. The real challenge is the part that's unique to your app. Things like how people actually use your main feature, how payments connect with subscriptions, how orders or bookings take place in the app, how different parts of the app work together, how it handles when real users come in, and from this point on, an experienced hand can make all the difference. Because here, things are not fixed. You have to figure out what's the right approach in that moment. Make decisions, adjust things, test it from different angles. AI can help along the way, but to make it foolproof, you still need real people. And then comes the foundation, architecture. This is where long-term success is decided, because now we are talking about how your product is built underneath, how data is stored, how quickly it can be fetched, how features connect with each other, how secure everything is, how easily the product can scale later. These decisions either save you a lot of money or turn into very expensive mistakes later on. AI can support parts of the process, but architecture needs experienced hands. When your foundation is strong, everything you build next becomes much easier. So, what's the right way to do this? It's not about AI or humans. It's about using both in the right places. Use AI to move first, but use a real team to make sure you don't break your app. When you balance both, that's when you turn a simple test app into a product that actually grows. Now it's your turn. If you have a burning idea and you want to bring it to life, reach out to me. We guide founders every step of the way, from idea to launch. And if this video helped you, hit subscribe. I share practical tips to help founders build smarter, faster and better apps. See you in the next video. Bye.